What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kevin and I make videos on my 370z NISMO. So if you're new, consider subscribing, and if you're back, welcome back. Today we're gonna actually do a different type of video. There's gonna be a big Z meet, like it's gonna be like a Nissan and Infiniti car meet. So I've decided to go take the Z, and I'm gonna just take you guys along the day. I'm gonna go with Shay, so we're just gonna spend the day together, go to the Z meet, go to the mall, take you guys along. So first, I do have to wash the car because it's a little dirty and I don't want to show up with the car dirty. So let's do that real quick and I'm gonna get ready and then we should be heading out. Oh, and actually I did get a new camera. I'm actually excited to be recording on this camera because it records in 4K. So if you guys see any difference or if you guys like the video quality, let me know down below. This is the new Sony ZV-E10. I'm actually going from a Canon to a Sony, so it's completely different, but I think the quality is gonna be really good. So let me know down below how you guys like the video. Let's get on to the video. So I got done cleaning the car. I'm actually waiting for Shay. She is taking longer than usual, and yeah, we're pretty much gonna be late. It starts at 6, it is 5:45. So I'm gonna take you guys along, do a little cinematic when we get there, and then we should be going to the mall and then getting some food. So it's just gonna be like a day in the life, but it's not really a day in the life because I don't do this every day, but it's exciting. I just thought I would bring you guys along and test out this new camera. One thing I do want to get better is vlogging in public, because I'm still a little shy about vlogging in public. I think everyone's looking at me, but in reality probably no one cares, or if they do, who cares if they think I'm weird or anything. But Shay is finally done. She is coming and we're gonna go. Finally decided on your outfit?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Wait, the door didn't close.
Let's go. gonna go to eat at BJ's. If you guys have never heard of it, it's kind of like cheesecake.
So good.
Right? I'm gonna take you guys along, show you guys the food, and it is like 9 p.m. So I'm gonna eat because we're hungry.
Starving.
You good?
So violent. So dramatic.
Excited for some BJ.
Yeah, we haven't been to BJ's in so long.
Yep.
Do what you want, but you're never gonna break me. Sticks and stones are never gonna shake me out.
Do you know what you're getting?
I
You're gonna get
think I'm gonna get a burger.
A burger?
I think I'm gonna get a burger.
The Chipotle?
Yeah, it looks really good.
Yeah, I want
Hopefully I don't get full.
the hickory brisket. I want to buy
The brisket?
Yeah.
That looks good. If we get
Good.
this appetizer, I'm gonna take home half of this burger. Because that's what happens every single time.
Okay.
And we're getting a Pizookie.
Okay. It's like the Sprite from McDonald's.
It's so sugary. It gets you like right here, like in your jaw.
It's so good though.
Ooh.
It like hurts. It's like right, you know when something's really, really sweet or sour, it hits you right here?
So good though.
One more sip. It hurts so good.
Where'd you first tell me you had a YouTube channel? Hard Rock Cafe in Tampa. You broke the news to me. You broke the news. You sat me down and you were like, I have something to tell you. And I was like, okay. And you're like, I have a YouTube channel.
Yep.
That's it?
I had like 3 subs. Or 300.
Yeah. I was like, that's it? That was your big secret? I thought you were gonna tell me something else.
You're like, really?
I was excited for you.
Call mine.
That's good.
I was gonna get the burger, but we're getting a Pizookie, and I want to be able to eat the Pizookie and not be too full.
The difference.
180.
Healthy.
I am getting your fries though.
You're so inappropriate. You're in public.
9 out of 10.
That's good. BJ's I feel like is way better than cheesecake.
I got shit in my mouth. What we got?
That smells so good. I'm so glad that we got the mini one though. 'Cause...
What we got?
Oh, sorry. We got the apple cinnamon. It's an apple cinnamon like special.
Mini
That's hot.
Pizookie.
Yeah, it's a Pizookie.
It's like an apple pie with ice cream.
Ooh, that's gonna be good. Oh yeah.
Good.
That is so good. This was a good choice. I'm glad we got this one.
That's gonna be the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog kind of day. I don't know, I don't usually do these because I'm a little shy vlogging in vlogging in public, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at what, 1200. So that's exciting. Yeah, got anything to say?
No, thanks for watching the vid. Join us on our date night.
Alright guys, see you guys later in my next video.
Peace out.